Hey, this is Canon Vickery here, and today I'm going to be doing Packet Tracer 2.2.4.9, configuring switch port security. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our switch 1 and go to CLI, and we're going to do en conf t and interface range fa 0 slash a through 2, if I remember. Yep, that's it. So that puts us, so now we can configure both of these interfaces at once. So we're gonna do switch port, uh, switch port security is what we're looking for. All right. So now that we're in there, we're gonna want to do switch port security maximum 1. Switch port security MAC address sticky. So what this command does, it makes it so when a computer first logs on to the switch, it'll record that computer's MAC address, and then it'll only let that one MAC address reconnect. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do switch port security violation restrict. There, and there's that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna disable all of other unused ports, so nothing else can connect other than the two PCs right here that are already connected. So every other port will be shut off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go exit all of that. We're gonna go interface range FA 0/3 all the way through 24, and we're gonna do shut. Now those you can see here, they all just shut down. Alright, now what we're gonna do is to verify that it's working, we're gonna exit out of this, and we're gonna just send a little ping between PC1 and PC2. And it worked. Try sending it back. Worked successful. Another thing you can do is if you look in, nope, not there. Desktop, show IP config. Our IP address is 10.10.10.11. So from here, desktop command prompt ping 10.10.10.11, and we got a reply. Good. All right. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna verify that the MAC addresses were added to the running configurations. So we're gonna go exit, show run. Oh, here it is. For fast Ethernet 1 and 2. MAC address sticky, violation restrict, MAC address, and here are the recorded MAC addresses, which is what we want. So, the next thing we're gonna do here. Oh, and one other thing to point out is, like you can see here, like 3 and 4 have been shut off. So, it just proves those work. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to just attach, just with a straight through cable, attach the Rogue laptop to the switch, and you'll see it won't work because the port's shut off. So what we're gonna do is we're going to see. I believe, if I remember right, we want to go. Let me get out of that. We're going to go conf t int fa 0/3 no shut. That should change that back to up. So let's look at this real quick. We'll ping from the Rogue laptop to PC1, and it worked. Good. That is what we want. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the connections. We're going to delete this wire and this wire. So now we're going to see if the MAC address works. The MAC address thing works. So we're going to get our copper cable, connect the Rogue laptop to switch number 2, and we are going to connect the PC to number 3. So now, we should be able to ping from the PC still, but the rogue laptop should no longer be able to ping. So what we're going to do, we're going to try pinging. So let's check this one. We're going to go, this should be 10.10.10.10, but we'll go IP config. Yeah, 10, okay. So from here, we're going to try going desktop, command prompt. We're going to go ping 10.10.10.10. This is PC1, and it should fail. And it did. Good. Control C that, so we don't have to wait through all of it. So now, yeah, all of that should fail. I wonder. Let's see. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to try to display the port security violations. Let's see. Where will this, we'll do exit. I think I need to do exit once more. And we'll do port security INTFA 0/2. Oh, I forgot to put show in, my bad. There we go. Alright, here, this is what we were looking for. Port security enabled, port status secure up. Here it is. Maximum MAC addresses, it's already in. Yeah, and because I've pinged a few times, it says it's there's been 6 violations. So we know that it's working because it won't let the laptop connect. So what we're gonna do now is, you saw like we couldn't ping from the laptop to PC2 or from the laptop to PC1, but we could from PC2 go to PC, or at least we should be able to. Oh, maybe we're not supposed to be able to. Oh, you know what, I bet it is. Here, let me try. Let me try this real quick. Ping 10.10.10.11. Maybe it'll only let that one in. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to exit out of those two. We're going to open this back up. And we're going to connect this one back to port number 2. And we're going to, from here, we're going to ping 10.10.10.10. And we got the reply. That's what we wanted. Good. And we got everything. And there's one little question here at the end, the answer. The reason why PC2 is able to ping PC1 now, but this laptop isn't, just to like kind of prove it. Let me reconnect. Well, it can now, but it couldn't before. Is because that MAC address sticky is a command that makes it so only that computer's MAC address is able to connect through that port. And so that's why PC2 can, but the rogue laptop couldn't. And so that's this packet tracer. I'll see you guys in my next video.